Hi, I am Ravina from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activity do we have lined up for your child in this month's box.
This month's theme is Smart Detective. There are 3 amazing activities in this box: Secret Lockbox, Rescue Mission, Educational Activity Maths. The first activity is Secret Lockbox. In this amazing activity, your child will create their own secret lockbox with the help of the wooden pieces. Your child can create and change the password of the box as per their wish and can be used for storing things. This activity will improve their critical thinking skills, lateral thinking skills, and creativity skills. The second activity is Rescue Mission. In this intellectual activity, your child will help and rescue their friend John from the goons of Kokomo Island. They will take the help of the clue cards to save John and bring him back from the island. This activity will improve their exploration skills, critical thinking skills, and logical skills. The third activity is Educational Activity Maths. These are write and wipe activity maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their cognitive skills and academic skills.
If you have not taken an Xplorabox subscription, then take it right now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make your child smarter and sharper.